remain seated and hold tightly at all times. Hold on to any cameras, don't put your arms outside of the vehicle. We're now in an area where flamingo are being sighted. These incredible birds are easily identified with their cool and you spend time standing on one leg. You might not know it, flamingo the colour actually comes from their diet of shrimps and prawns. Cool bird, eh? All of Ava's expedition vehicles are fitted with very advanced satellite tracking technology, so we can keep track of you throughout your journey. Okay, researchers, our satellites show you should be close to seeing some giraffe. Or to use their scientific name, camelopardalis. They got that name because they look like a cross between a camel and a leopard. So put the two together and you get camelopardalis. Now look closely and take a note of how many animals you can see so we can document the number in this photo. We think giraffes are some of the most amazing creatures on the planet. They can live up to 25 years in the wild. They can grow as tall as 6 meters, that's 18 feet. And those long legs help them to run at speeds of up to 35 miles an hour. Their long necks enable them to reach the tops of trees for their favourite snack, leaves. There's always plenty for them to eat as no other animals can reach that height. Did you know giraffes sleep for no more than 5 minutes at a time, and they've never been seen bathing either.
Here's some amazing giraffe-related facts that might help you with your research. Did you know giraffes are one of the few animals born with horns? A giraffe has an animal relative called the okapi. Okapi have much shorter necks and are usually found roaming on their own in the forests of the Congo. Each giraffe is completely unique, a bit like a human fingerprint. If we thought being born as a human baby was difficult, imagine what it's like to be born a giraffe. The first thing they do in life is fall 6 feet to the ground. Male and female giraffe tend to eat from different parts of the tree to ensure that the sexes do not compete. Zufari is home to many different animals. You will probably be able to see some antelope with a white glaze on their faces. These are from blesbok, once the most abundant antelope species in the earth. In fact, they became an endangered species during the early colonization of South Africa, when they were hunted for skin and meat. Thankfully, numbers have since recovered, and they are now deemed as a low-risk species. They live for up to 17 years, and both males and females carry horns, though the females are slightly more slender.
Now hopefully you'll soon be seeing some more magnificent beasts. Rhino. The rhino around Zufari or white rhino, so called because of the Afrikaner word white, referring to their wide mouths, sounding so similar to the English word white. It's actually got nothing to do with that. Now you may want to hold your noses for a bit here, researchers. Wherever you get rhino, you also get an awful lot of rhino dung. Male rhino like to be on their own, so they mark out their territory with piles of their own dung, one of other names. Okay, researchers, no retreat. Looks like we're going to be retreating based on an uncharted route. Keep tracking your satellite. base and a member of our expedition team asks you to leave the vehicle. Thanks for joining us, even if it did turn out to be more of a wild adventure than planned. We hope to see you again soon here at Zufari.